How to learn grammar on your own. TranslateBase will help you. After AI word fetch function, we have added a powerful new function, AI grammar analysis. Open a foreign language article on the web page, support Chinese, Japanese, Thai, etc. Click AI Fetch button. Select Grammar Analysis in the upper left corner of the popped-up window. You can get the difficult grammar of this article. Difficult sentences, analysis, detailed explanations, usage, and more are clearly presented here. Click on the example sentence in this window to help you locate directly in the original text to understand and learn in context. There are different grammatical categories and content for different languages. Works with AI word fetch and web page translation functions to help you quickly understand the article. Suitable for language self-learners, foreign language novices can also learn easily. Download and experience the power of TranslateBase now.